Español, rápido, útil, fácil. ¿Cuál es tu nombre? ¿De dónde eres? ¿Quién eres tú?
Hola a todos y bienvenidos a Español Simple con Gia. Here is what you will learn to do in Spanish in today's video. How to conjugate the verbs ir and ser in the preterite tense, and how to use the conjugated parts of the verbs ir and ser in simple sentences in the preterite tense. Let's begin. The verbs ir, which means to go, and ser, which means to be, are two irregular verbs. These two verbs are conjugated the same way in the preterite tense. You would tell the difference between the two verbs by understanding the context in which they are used in sentences. Also, if the preposition a follows after the verb, you know that ir is being used and not ser. Use ser to talk about permanent condition, occupation, place of origin, identification, and nationality. Now, here is how you conjugate both verbs in the preterite tense. Let's start with ser. Yo fui, I was. Tú fuiste, you were. Él fue, he was. Ella fue, she was. Usted fue, you were. And that's a formal you. Nosotros o nosotras fuimos, we were. Vosotros o vosotras fuisteis. And that's you all were informal. Ellos o ellas fueron, they were. Ustedes fueron, you all were. And now let's look at ir. Yo fui, I went. Tú fuiste, you went. Él fue, he went. Ella fue, she went. Usted fue, you went, and that's formal you. Nosotros o nosotras fuimos, we went. Vosotros o vosotras fuisteis, you all went. Ellos o ellas fueron, they went. And ustedes fueron, you all went. Now you see, both verbs look exactly the same when they are conjugated in the preterite tense. But like I said previously, you'll know which verb is being used by the context of the sentence. Here are some examples using both verbs in various sentences. Yo fui a la biblioteca la semana pasada. I went to the library last week. Ayer fue mi cumpleaños. Yesterday was my birthday. Ayer ella fue al supermercado. Yesterday she went to the supermarket. La fiesta fue aburrida. The party was boring. Nosotros fuimos a la playa el año pasado. We went to the beach last year. Nosotros fuimos responsables de ese proyecto. We were responsible for that project. It's your turn. Write the following sentences in Spanish. Write your responses in the comments section. 1. I went to the bank. 2. The class was interesting. 3. We went to the beach. 4. They were famous last year. Cinco. You all went to the cinema. Buen trabajo. It's time for exit ticket. Do you know how to perform the following tasks in Spanish? How to conjugate the verbs ir and ser in the preterite tense? How to use conjugated parts of the verbs ir and ser in simple sentences in the preterite tense? I hope you answered yes to those questions, but if you didn't, simply watch the video again. Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment before you leave. And check out my previous videos. The links will be on the screen. Adios!